Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using Skyscanner. Skyscanner, found at www.skyscanner.com, is a widely used and popular platform for discovering and comparing flight prices from various airlines and travel agencies. It boasts a streamlined and user-friendly interface designed to simplify the often daunting task of searching for affordable airfare. Users can input their desired departure and arrival airports, travel dates, and cabin class preferences to generate a comprehensive list of available flights. The results are typically presented in a sortable format, allowing users to prioritize factors like price, duration, or number of stops. Beyond just flights, Skyscanner also offers search capabilities for hotels and car rentals, effectively consolidating various travel needs into a single convenient location. This breadth of service contributes significantly to its popularity among travelers. Skyscanner's meta-search functionality means it scours a multitude of booking websites and airlines directly, providing users with a broad spectrum of options to consider. This can be particularly advantageous when looking for the absolute best deal. The platform often highlights deals and promotions, further assisting users in saving money on their travel arrangements. Furthermore, Skyscanner provides helpful tools like price alerts, which notify users of fluctuations in airfare for specified routes, enabling them to book at optimal times. While the primary focus is on flight search, the integrated hotel and car rental search functionalities offer a comprehensive travel planning experience. This avoids the need to use multiple platforms and streamlines the entire process from flight booking to accommodation and ground transportation. Ultimately, Skyscanner's popularity stems from its comprehensive search capabilities, user-friendly interface, and valuable tools for finding the best travel deals. Whether planning a weekend getaway or a long-haul adventure, Skyscanner provides a valuable resource for today's traveler.